Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about the all-new BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe, a perfect blend of sportiness and elegance in the premium compact segment. BMW has taken the Gran Coupe to a whole new level with an extroverted design, featuring a bold front end, sleek silhouette, and high-tech lighting elements. But it's not just about looks. This model comes with a completely revamped drive portfolio, advanced automated driving systems, and a fully digitalized experience inside the cabin with the latest BMW xDrive US9. Exterior, a bold statement. BMW knows how to make an entrance, and the new 2 Series Gran Coupe is no exception. The front end screams, "Look at me," with a wide, low-slung kidney grille, and check this out, vertical and diagonal bars inside the grille for a modern touch. LED headlights come standard, but for those who want a bit more flash, you've got adaptive LED headlights with blue accents, and even the BMW iconic glow, lighting up the grille like never before. From the side, the car's long bonnet, short overhangs, and sweeping roofline make it feel fast, even when it's parked. The Hofmeister kink, a signature BMW design element, now has a subtle 2 embossed at the rear. If you're into options, there are some killer paint finishes, and a high-gloss black roof for that extra flair. Interior, luxurious and leather-free. Step inside, and BMW's gone all out on the leather-free luxury. The standard interior is decked out in premium materials, with options for Veganza, Alcantara trims and hand-sewn seams on the dashboard. You'll also notice the BMW curved display taking center stage, giving the cabin a futuristic vibe. For those long road trips, the newly designed seats, optional sports seats available, and an M leather steering wheel with paddle shifters will keep you comfortable and in control. Oh, and did I mention 430 liters of cargo space? Enough room for all your gear, plus split folding rear seats in case you need more. Performance, speed meets agility. Alright, let's talk performance. The top dog in the lineup is the BMW M235 xDrive Gran Coupe, packing a 300 HP 4-cylinder engine that rockets from 0 to 100 km/h, 62 miles per hour, in just 4.9 seconds. You also get an exclusive M technology package with racetrack-ready features like lightweight wheels and a Series M compound brake system. And if you're wondering about handling, BMW's got you covered with the M Sport package, offering adaptive M suspension and sport steering for agile cornering. Standard 17-inch wheels come with all models, but you can upgrade to 19 inches if you're feeling bold. Tech and driver assistance, all about digital innovation. Now, BMW's made sure the 2 Series Gran Coupe is fully equipped for the tech-savvy driver. The new BMW xDrive with Quick Select allows you to access all the main functions directly, no need to dig through menus. Plus, you can stream music, watch videos, and even play games with BMW's in-car gaming feature, all powered by the BMW operating system 9. Driver assistance features are top-notch. Standard offerings like lane departure warning, speed limit info, and parking assistant are great. But you can also upgrade to options like the steering and lane control assistant for a semi-autonomous driving experience. Pricing and release. BMW hasn't dropped official pricing yet, but we know the car will launch in March 2025, and it's going to be built at their Leipzig plant. So, whether you're here for the sleek design, the high-tech interior, or that legendary BMW driving experience, the new 2 Series Gran Coupe is shaping up to be a serious contender in the premium compact segment. Let me know in the comments, are you hyped for this one? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more car reviews coming your way.